All right, Ram TRX 2021. It's used, has 15,000 miles. It's for sale here at Nissan of Bernie, Texas. They happen to have two of these, a black one and a blue one. I'm not sure on the mileage on the black one, as there's no sticker. This blue one's really nice. I really like this color. Pretty spacious back there.
Yes, sir. I own a Ram, so it's pretty. I love it. So for the time I've had it.
Keys for the blue one and the black one, just in case. Okay. All right.
It's missing. There's usually another cover up here.
Yeah,
I think.
there's usually another cover. Let me see if this one has it.
I kind of like it without it, but it did come with
A
that.
lot of people do.
It hides the TRX.
Yeah, the little T-Rex in the display is going to be a
So
little
the
bit.
black one only has 835. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Brake and then the Be right back.
Oh, she's loud, all right. Can you hear what I'm saying? Kind of loud. Jeez. What, you gonna, no trailer brake control after $90,000? Got some auxiliary switches here, that's pretty nice. Of course, there's your launch control. 4-wheel drive auto, it's always in like an all-wheel drive full time. 4 high, 4 low. You got a rear axle lock. I like this shifter. I've never been fond of the little turn dial like that. You can see here, here's the plaque. Let's see, does it have everything? It's got nav. This one has the surprised you don't hear the whine as much. The supercharger.
Yeah, if you press on it a little bit more, then you'll hear it. Okay, there. Oh my gosh. Okay,
there. Oh my gosh.
Usually it's because of the tire speed.
Oh, that doesn't help. There it is. I won't scare you too much. Yeah, it has a 6.4, but it's not super.
Yeah.
7.2 miles per gallon. Of course, who knows how it was driven those miles, but wow. Well, for just $93,000, that TRX can be yours. 15,000 miles on it. It's a pretty good deal. I mean, compared to all the markup. This black one here only has 800 miles, but they want like 98,000 for that. I mean, it's almost brand new. Really cool getting to drive the Ram TRX, even though it was very short-lived, but it's pretty quick. Handles really good. That was my main takeaway, was how good it handles for how, you know, being a truck and off-road capable it is. It's pretty impressive. My impressions of the 2021 Ram TRX. It actually was not as impressive as I thought it would be. Maybe all the hype, maybe the fact that I come from fast cars in general. I've driven, you know, I've owned, you know, my 2020 Mustang GT Performance Pack 2 would blow your socks off. You know, I've driven Corvettes. Driven a lot of fast cars, and it is fast. I didn't get to do any sort of like extensive testing, 0 to 60 runs, anything like that, but 93 grand. Wow, I mean, that's a lot of money, especially with 15,000 miles. But you know, it's still a basic Ram 1500 underneath. I mean, people are gonna rip me for that, but it's got, you know, the beefier frame and everything to handle it. If all you plan to do is go Baja dune jumping right out of the box and you don't want to do anything aftermarket, it's great. It's very great. And alone for just having a Hellcat engine in a truck, I mean, I really love it. I really wish I could have more time than just a 10-minute test drive of the thing, but you get a 93,000 is a lot for a person. It's a lot for any person. It's definitely a lot for our budget and our needs. No, I don't think I'll be trading the 2020 Ram Power Wagon in on it. There's things it has that the TRX doesn't. Has the winch, has the front and rear lockers. It's more of a rock crawler than Baja Racer, but it's more utilitarian. It just makes more sense. It's cheaper, gets better gas mileage, believe it or not. Especially with the way you'll be driving that thing, you'll want to push that skinny pedal every time you're in it, and it's just going to drink the gas. Like you saw, 7 miles per gallon, over 500 miles driven. So, but I don't know. It needs to do something a little more maybe for that kind of money, or they're going to have to just start coming down on these prices. I mean, the you know, gas is really high. People aren't looking for, you know, extreme gas guzzlers right now. So I don't know, but there you have it. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more car reviews, test drives, overlanding adventures. You just never know what you'll see on this channel. But yeah, we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.